This is a Stanford Learning Lab tutorial on our web-based assignment calculator. This video is intended for both students who want to use the assignment calculator and educators who want to post new assignments for their students. An assignment calculator is a planning and organization tool that can help you break down large assignments into smaller, more manageable steps. This is a key to making sure you allocate enough time to each step and determining where each step fits best into your schedule. Additionally, the assignment calculator provides calendar reminders and additional resources to help you work on those steps. Let's walk through how to use this tool. This is the assignment calculator interface located at assignmentcalculator.stanford.edu. If you want to plan out an assignment, you can go to Type of Assignment. You'll see a list of core multi-step assignments that can be calculated, and this list will grow over time. These include several kinds of essays, studying for a test, and writing a dissertation or thesis. Let's choose Research Essay. Next, you select the time frame that your work on the assignment will take place. Choose the date that you will begin the assignment. Then choose the date that the assignment is due. Let's hit Calculate Schedule and see how this research essay is broken down into smaller steps. At the top, we see how many days are left before the research essay is due. Now let's scroll through the 7 steps of how to write a research paper. First, we need to identify and develop the topic of the research essay, and you'll see that the percent of time that is spent on this step should be approximately 10%. So based on this percentage, the calculator gives you the date that you should finish deciding your topic. There is also a link to external resources for many of the steps. For example, here is a link to a website on how to write an effective thesis statement. At the bottom of step 1, there is an option saying Add to Calendar, which means all the dates and information you see here can be easily added as an event to your digital calendar. If we scroll down to step 2, we see the next step of writing a research essay is to search for and compile sources of information. This lays the groundwork for a research paper. You'll notice that again we see a different due date for this step, additional links to help facilitate searching for information, and the Add to Calendar button. The remaining steps include evaluating and consolidating information, outlining the paper, writing a first draft, revising and going to the Writing Center, and then checking formatting and citations. The time allocated on each step may vary, but everything can be added to your calendar. While there are some basic templates for assignments, the Stanford Learning Lab can work with Stanford faculty to upload customized projects into the assignment calculator. If you are an instructor and have a long-form essay, research project, or other multi-step assignment, we can create that customized assignment here. Include the time it takes for each step, add resources and links to each step that you deem relevant, and name the assignment so it is easy for your students to find. The Learning Lab makes this process easy by giving you a template to fill in the necessary information about the assignment and each step. Then we can upload this information for you and the assignment will become immediately available to your students. You can revise the information in this shared document and then we can update the assignment calculator to reflect those changes. I hope you enjoyed this video. An assignment calculator is a useful tool for mapping out larger assignments. If you'd like to learn more about the assignment calculator, or you are a Stanford educator wanting to post new assignments for your courses, please contact the Stanford Learning Lab. Thank you for listening.